Jeremy St. Pierre. I started manufacturing at 13. From there, I just kept growing. I was reached out to by GKN. They had an idea of they're trying to build a new R&D cell based on tooling. They weren't really sure how to go about it. So they asked if I'd be on board to join GKN and start this process, and I've been there since then. In order to make all of our products, we need tooling. The original investment was more geared towards regrinding, and I ended up quadrupling the investment for this project, and it took about 6.5 months. And then it's been running now full for about 2 years now. We went from doing 3 sites to we're looking into 13 sites across North America, and we do work for our 2 sites in Mexico as well. I think just the freedom and the easiness of coming in here and just saying, hey, I have this tool, can you check it? Can you make one? And Zolar, obviously allows us to put that in there and see exactly how it works or why it's not working, why it broke. We do a lot of edge prep here. We have that in-house. The Titan, it can do edge prep itself. Adding the automation just made sense. I decided to go all in. We bought the Titan with the Robo set. I think it was one of the very first ones on the field. We have some tools that are very, very detailed inspection, which actually require manual inspection. So that allows us to just set the Zolar up with automation for our production, where we can have one person manned focusing on making sure those details are correct. If we have a less trained person, the Titan can tell the Anka what to correct. The biggest thing with Anka is how easy the machines are to use. No one here was trained on these machines ever. They've never seen one. They never heard of Anka. And I would say these guys make tools just as good as anyone else out there. So with Anka, you can just really simulate that machine live, and I think their software is exactly what it looks like on that screen is exactly what you're going to get. Being able to kind of make all the mistakes in a fake environment that Anka provides is great. We have thousands of different tools we use that might be the same exact tool, but bought from someone else, or it's a legacy tool. So being able to bring that in-house allows us to control the inventory as well. We can kind of make tools to order. We know the usage, so we just make sure that they're always there. It replenishes, and it comes back to us. We'll own that full process. Definitely beneficial to, I think, any company, small, large, looking to do it. It's not too hard to do. We can take either a tool that's already out there or something from scratch and tweak it as many times as we want within a few days. If someone comes in here, it could be in half an hour and they have a tool. There's no more machines down waiting for tools. There's no more meetings going over repairs. It's just, they come to Cut or Grind, tell them what you need, you have it today.